Hey guys, we're still doing type 2 binary nomenclature. This time we're going to work on practice sheet number 2, problem number 1, and explain how to do it. We're going to go start off with a formula to the name. So here's our formula, TI-I2. Okay, so we have to go ahead and figure out what the charge of TI is and what it stands for. Because in the name for type 2, we have to make sure that we have a Roman numeral. The first thing is it a type 2? So let's go ahead and go to the periodic table. Ti is right here. It is titanium. So we know that we're going to put down titanium. It is in this group that is type 2. A better way that we can look at it is on page 13, where we know it's right here. Okay, it's in one of these right here. So we know that it is type 2. It is in the blue. So we are going to move on with that. So we know that that's going to be titanium. We don't know what the charge is. Okay, so I'm going to really just quick over here put in titanium, and then I'm going to put parentheses. We don't know what's going to go in the parentheses, but that's what it's going to be. So now we're going to do the I. I stands for, I go over here, iodine. And what is the charge of iodine? Well, it's in group 7A, which means that it will accept one extra electron. And when it does that, it's going to gain an electron and become a -1. So if we go back to this, we're going to put above this right here, we're going to put a -1. Okay, so that's the iodine. Well, what's the overall charge of iodine? Well, a -1 times 2 is going to be -2. So that means that my positive charge over here for the titanium must be +2. Okay, so I have a +2 and a +2. That's good. We're going to divide by the subscript for titanium, which is 1. So 2 divided by 1 equals a +2. Okay, now that means the charge for titanium is +2. So I can put a Roman numeral 2 in here. Okay, the other way I could do that is, again, if this charge for iodine is the same as the subscript for titanium, which it is, then whatever the subscript for iodine is the charge for titanium. And that's where we get the 2. And so now all we have to do is vary the I. The I was iodine, which basically what we're going to do is change that to iodide. And there's our name for TiI2, titanium 2 iodide. So hopefully you got it right, and good luck with the rest of them. Nelson out.